That is so sick.
That's so good.
Yeah, I'm liking the pattern. It's giving very well.
Steps in hair and makeup.
Good reaction.
Class. Love it.
So we are here in St Fagans National Museum of Wales, and we are shooting the new Cymru kit campaign. And it's all very hush-hush. I had to sign an NDA. It's very fancy.
So this whole shoot was a really lovely concept in that we've got this piece of red thread, which is the thread that leads us home.
And the idea of home is the feeling of when you're wearing the shirt. And ultimately, that's what this campaign builds to, and the setting in St Fagans.
So we've gone through all different parts of Wales and the country over the last 3 days, getting this thread, going through the countryside, urban scenery, and all these threads that we've seen throughout the film are going to lead back to the shirts.
And the culmination is behind us today. So we're about to go into the room now, where all the threads lead into this point, and that's the reveal of the kit.
Mate, this is crazy. This is so mad. I got a big grin on my face, I can't stop. And they told me to look proud, but I'm just going to be like this.
When he's in the shirt, he looks fabulous. Out of the new Welsh shirt, it's a different story.
When we started thinking about the kit launch concept, we came to meet with the team at St Fagans and we were hosted and had an amazing tour, just had a full immersion into Welsh culture. And they've been so great throughout the whole process. The pinnacle here is the building in front of us.
It just screamed that kind of heritage that we're trying to get across. So you can sort of see with the building, the pillars, the design of it, the tapestry that's already on the walls. It was a beautiful set that was kind of already built for us.
It's so impressive, it's so grand. Obviously steeped in history and heritage, which is, I guess, what the kit is based on. The whole approach around SUDU kits is that it's not templated. We really want to get into the bones of culture of the respective team that we're working with. So our design team, probably 18 months, 2 years ago, sat with the team at FAW and really got under the skin of how we represent Wales. And we really wanted to do the country proud. And that landed on patchwork and quilting, ultimately being such a symbol of Wales. And we worked with the team at St Fagans and their archives of all of these rich tapestries that we've taken away and have now implemented into the home kit. And it's just really great to see it kind of come from the inspiration over there in the archives to full reality here today.
The whole concept was around this feeling of home and Wales being home, and everything leads us back here. So no matter where you are in the world, you can put on this shirt and it leads you back home. I think that was quite vital in the design of the shirt that SUDU put together. And then when I looked at it and started to do the director's treatment, that was passed to me and say, okay, how do we create that? How do we incorporate different people from all walks of life and the sort of thread, so to speak, the metaphor that ties them together?
How are you?
Hello, good, how are you?
Am I dressed appropriately or what? Look at them.
That's so
Don't they just look like the most proud Welshmen you've ever seen in your life?
I didn't get to play in the kit for Wales, and this is the next best thing, I think, yeah.
It's not for me about modelling this in a fashionable way and sort of standing there smiling. Everything was about sort of we are proud to be here, proud to put this shirt on and tie into everything that's come before in Wales and everything that's going to come next. And I think it was quite nice to see everyone sort of come into their own in their stances, and it usually takes a bit of work with talent to sort of get them to feel comfortable. But I think everyone today, every fan, when you say stand there and sort of be a fan and wear that badge on your chest, they just seem to know it and they just get it, and I think that's quite lovely to see. And to go through it for the last few weeks, planning it, storyboarding, drawing it out, and then see it today coming to life, it's been amazing.
Handsome you. Both of them.
real stories, real people, authenticity. That's what we really wanted to come through with this.
Cool, that's a wrap.
Well, mate. Hi guys, we have just shot for the new Cymru kit, and apparently we've been told we can't take them home, so I'm a bit gutted about that, but it looks sick. I mean, look at Ellis.
Yeah, and oh, I didn't know he could jump like that.
You won't see him again. He's actually gone.